Are you preparing for the German A1 course but confused about the Schreiben part? Specifically first part where you have to write a letter and can't figure it out which letters to learn? Then this video is perfect suit for you. Stick to the end and I have a surprise gift for you. So now we will go through some letter and email which are relevant to the Goethe A1 exam. So let's start with the most common and typical one, which is Einladung zum Geburtstag. Okay? Betreff or subject. Einladung zu meiner Geburtstagsfeier. Liebe Anna, ich lade dich herzlich zu meiner Geburtstagsfeier ein. Sie findet am Samstag, den 15. September um 18 Uhr bei mir zu Hause statt. Ich freue mich auf dich. Liebe Grüße, Max. Or you can just write your name here. So let's understand the meaning of this email. Dear Anna, I warmly invite you to my birthday party. It will take place on Saturday, September 15 at 6 p.m. um 18 Uhr at my home. Bei mir zu Hause statt. I'm looking forward to see you. Best regards, Max. So now let's go to the next one. Absage eines Termins. So this letter is about how to reject or decline your upcoming appointment. Okay? For example, you can see Betreff Termin am Dienstag. You can just add subject, you can just write Termin am Dienstag. Then start with Liebe Herr Müller. Leider kann ich unseren Termin am Dienstag nicht wahrnehmen. Ich bin krank und muss absagen. Absagen means to reject or to decline. Können wir einen neuen Termin vereinbaren? Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Lisa Schmidt. You can just write your name, okay? Dear Mr. Müller, unfortunately, I cannot attend our appointment on Tuesday. I'm sick and have to cancel. Can we arrange a new appointment? Sincerely, Lisa Schmidt. So in this case, you want to know some information about something, okay? So let's go through the letter. Betreff, subject, Informationen zu Deutschkurs. Okay, in this case, you want to know information about the German course. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ich interessiere mich für Ihren Deutschkurs. Können Sie mir bitte Informationen zu den Terminen und Kosten schicken? Vielen Dank im Voraus. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Markus Weber. So let's understand the letter or email in English. Dear Sir or Madam, so sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, this is the typical one, yeah? You will use every time sehr geehrte Damen und Herren if there are no name available. I am interested in your German course. Could you please send me information about the schedule and cost? Können Sie mir bitte die Informationen zu den Terminen und Kosten schicken? Thank you in advance. Sincerely, Markus Weber. So let's go to the next one. And that is Einladung ins Kino. That means in English, inviting to cinema. Hallo Tom. Hast du Lust, am Samstag ins Kino zu gehen? Der Film Avengers läuft um 20 Uhr. Ich kaufe die Tickets. Gib mir bitte Bescheid, ob du Zeit hast. Viele Grüße, Leon. So now let's understand the letter in English. Hi Tom. Do you want to go to the movies on Saturday? So we are asking for Saturday to go to cinema, yeah? Do you want to go to the movies on Saturday? The movies Avengers is playing at 8 p.m. I will buy the tickets. Ich kaufe die Tickets. I will buy the tickets. Please let me know if you are free. Gib mir bitte Bescheid, ob du Zeit hast. Viele Grüße means basically best regards, then your name, okay? So let's understand the unread or the first and last part of the email. For example, you can see informally, if you want to write your friend, you can just start with hello and then end with viele Grüße. But if you want to write it formally, then you would say like that. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. You will start with this one, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, and end with mit freundlichen Grüßen. But most of the time, this is used for formal situation. Mit freundlichen Grüßen. So you can see on top here, in this case, we also used lieber Herr Müller, okay? But end with mit freundlichen Grüßen. You can also say sehr geehrter, then Herr Müller. Or you can also say lieber Herr Müller. And if this is informal, then you can say here, liebe Anna, start with liebe or lieber. Lieber in case of male. Liebe is in case of female, okay? You can say liebe Anna. So for male, lieber, and for female, Liebe, okay? Without a R. And the rest is same, and at the end you would say liebe Grüße. But if it's formal, then you would say mit freundlichen Grüßen. So that's the basic or the foundation for the A1 exam. You don't have to write a paragraph or something. So the surprise gift is you can access the document by clicking down below this video. In the description you can find a link. You can just go through this link and then access the document. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.